to see all your recent calls on Samsung phone. So if you want to see all your recent calls, including incoming calls, outgoing, and so on, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. So all you have to do is basically to open up the phone app first. So find it. And on the bottom of the screen, you should see 3 tabs, including recents. Tap on that. Right now, you can see that I have no recent calls, but that's not actually true. What we have to do basically to find all recent calls is to tap little filter icon on the top. So between the information no recent and phone, we have 3 icons, right? Click on the very left for filter. And then you will see all 5 options: incoming calls, outgoing, rejected, missed, and all calls. So if you want to check all your calls overall, just tap on that, confirm by clicking OK, and here they are. If you tap here, you will see the type of this call. For example, this one was declined, this one was missed, and that one was declined as well. You will see time, number of the person, and so on. And again, if you want to see, for example, only outgoing calls, then go back in the filter, click that option, and you'll see this type of information. But for me, I guess it's better to select missed calls. And now I have a result. So yeah, that's it, how you can do this. And don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.